Your home's foundation is its most crucial structural component, so spotting problems early is essential. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe and expensive damage down the road. Here are 5 signs of foundation trouble that you might find in your basement. Cracks in basement walls. Hairline cracks on your basement walls are one of the early signs of foundation problems. It's an indication that the structural integrity of the wall is starting to get compromised by the water or soil that's behind the wall. If this sign isn't addressed, it can introduce more severe problems like bowing basement walls. One of the most alarming signs of foundation damage in a basement is bowing walls. This inward bending often occurs due to water building up behind the walls and creating hydrostatic pressure pushing against the wall. As the water increases, the walls can no longer withstand the force and it begins to buckle. Listen, if you're in this stage, please contact a Groundworks professional. The wall can literally cave in if we don't address it. We've seen it. Exterior wall cracks. Cracks on your home's exterior walls, particularly near windows and doors, can be a red flag. These cracks can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or even resemble a staircase. While minor cracks might become cosmetic, larger cracks, or those that grow over time, require immediate attention. Drywall cracks. Similar to exterior wall cracks, drywall cracks on your finished basement walls or on the walls in your home can also signal foundation issues. Pay attention to cracks forming near the corners of your doors and your windows, as these are common stress points. Sticking doors and windows. If your doors and windows are becoming increasingly difficult to open and close, or if the door is misaligned with the frame, your foundation could be shifting. Having the forced doors open could mean that it's time to take a closer look at your foundation. Remember, these are just a few common signs of foundation issues. Early detection is key when it comes to a foundation repair. An expert foundation inspector will be able to identify the root causes of your foundation issues and develop a plan to fix them. Whether you need to stabilize a bowing wall with a wall anchor or lift a sunken foundation with foundation piers, Groundworks has your back. Schedule a free inspection today to get started.